happy to welcome you these beautiful women. First of all, I want you to invite to take your places, and we're gonna start all the performances, all the spectacles, all the dances, all the music that we have prepared for you. For this one, we just need you to take your place, and we're about to start. Please enjoy your evening, and we're gonna start just in a few moments.
Tonight is about sharing, it's about connecting. We have so many people that are leaders in their fields. We have leaders in astronomy, leaders in fashion, leaders in art, basically every sector in dancing. And that's what We Connect is all about. We Connect is about connecting leaders. Because when you connect leaders, you can find solutions that can add value collectively.
Un evento que no solo celebra la riqueza de la cultura panameña, sino que también tiene un propósito crucial: la protección de nuestros niños, asegurándoles un entorno lleno de amor y seguridad. Agradezco de corazón a mi Canet, cuyo esfuerzo ha hecho posible esta noche, y por creer en el futuro mejor para nuestros niños.